Okay. So if you, I think your task is missing links to tenants within the property, which is causing the tenant details not to be available. So when you create a new task, you have the option of choosing tenant details here, but I'm just going to create a task, and I won't tick any tenants there at the moment, and I'll save that. Then if I go into the test task, if I look under participants, you'll see that there aren't any tenants listed here, but you can add tenants in afterwards if you need to. So you can choose tenant and the appropriate tenant. They'll then be listed, and we can choose the other one. So we've got both the tenants listed with their contact details here, just for your reference. The other thing you need to turn on, which it looks like you have already, is in settings and turning on that supplier can view tenant details. And then you could assign the task when you first created it, but if not, you can then obviously assign it to the appropriate supplier. And at this point, when you assign it to the supplier will receive an email, and then there'll be a link in that email which enables them to go to the Supplier Portal, which will look like this. And I will just fill that in. And once they've done that, they'll be sent a code. Remember, I'll just go and get the one I've just been sent. There we go. And then once they log in, they'll be able to see the tasks. And if they click on the appropriate one, they can see the details, and click on the tenants tab, and they will see the tenants listed here.